Hello everybody, welcome to Food Friday. Recipe of the week today is the lunch sub by me. So today we're going to start with a nice, beautiful, fluffy loaf of French bread. And we're going to cut that in half, not all the way through so that the juices and the veggies can still sit in the bun. And you're going to want to use a nice sharp bread knife or a steak knife. Look at that. Look how fluffy the bread is. Oh my goodness. Definitely start and get yourself with a nice fluffy loaf of bread to start with. This is your base. This is where everything is going to go onto it. So now I got a variety pack of meat. It has salami, pepperoni, and ham in it. So I am kind of doing like a cold cuts Subway sub, if you will. Then go ahead and cook up some bacon. This stuff was thick cut and so good. And then put that on your sub next. So now these are all the meats that we're doing on our sub today. Next, we're going to go in with some alfalfa. I know that a lot of you probably don't use this stuff, but it is so good for you. And it just adds like a really nice fresh crunch. It kind of tastes like fresh peas. It might sound weird, but trust me, it's really, really good on a sub. Next, we're going to put on some lettuce because, I mean, what kind of sub sandwich doesn't have lettuce? So go ahead and do that. You can use any type of lettuce or your favorite type of lettuce. I'm just using, I believe it's romaine lettuce. Now we're going to chop up some cucumbers because I love cucumbers on my Subway subs. Oh, uh-oh, this onion does not want to be chopped up, but today he is going to be. He was part of my Halloween decorations. So yeah, chop up a nice white onion and throw that on, or purple, it doesn't matter. And then we're also going to do banana peppers because I really like those on my sub. These ones aren't too crazy spicy. If you don't like spice, you can skip this step. I mean, you could skip any step. But if you want to follow my recipe, I definitely highly recommend putting banana peppers on it. Pickled banana peppers, sorry. Now we're gonna put some pickles on. I love pickles, so this is a must for me. Now for the sauces. We're gonna do sriracha mayo. So I'm gonna combine the mayo with the sriracha for a sriracha mayo sauce. And of course, salt. Oh, sorry, balsamic vinegar. Yes, because I like the Subway house sauce and it just kind of reminds me of like a really salty salad dressing. And then of course, salt and pepper. And last but not least, we're gonna put on some Parmesan flakes. Trust me, you gotta top it off. And if you go to Subway and you don't ask for Parmesan at the very end, at the very, very last step, you're missing out. So then stuff that food in there, knock everything over to get it done there. And then now it's time to cut it up. Oh my gosh, my tummy is literally growling watching me edit this video. And please, for the love of God, use a fucking cutting board because I cut my brand new countertop doing that. Look how good that looks. Ooh! Yeah, it was amazing. You guys are gonna love this recipe. So if you don't know what to make for lunch this week or dinner, please give this a try. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Food Friday video. Love you guys. Bye.